Is your laptop running slow and lagging all time? Don't worry, in this video I will show you how to speed up your laptop in 2025 without installing any software. These are real fixes using built-in tools on Windows. Let's make your PC fast again. Step number one, disable start app program. To do that, you have to right click on the taskbar, then go to task manager. Once it's open, then go to start apps. Then you have to disable all apps you see here, then close it. Once it's closed, now the first step is done. Now the second step is you have to delete temporary file. To do that, open run, then type this command, then hit enter. If you see some files here, you have to delete all of them. Select them, delete it, then close it, then open run again, then type this command, then hit enter. If you see some files here, also delete all files from here, then close. Now the second step is also done. Now the third step is you have to adjust your laptop or PC performance. To do that, you have to open search bar, then type adjust appearance and performance of Windows. Open that. Now choose this option, adjust for best appearance. Now apply all of them. Okay, now the third step is also done. Now the last steps is you have to go to search bar, then type disk cleanup. There is it. Now open it, then drive, then choose drive C, then okay, then select all of them, expect download. Now okay, delete files. Let's delete some temporary files also. Now done, we just finished first step. But remember one thing, you have don't forget to restore your PC once week. It's clean up your memory and performance of boot. Oh, that's it. Your laptop should run way faster all without installing anything. In this helped you, give the video like and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials like this. Comment below it work if your PC is faster now. See you in the next video. Bye.